First, open the LibreOffice base, click on Start or Program List, click on LibreOffice 7.0 and after that click on LibreOffice base. In this way, you can open the LibreOffice base. This kind of dialog box will appear, that is Database Wizard. It will ask from you whether you want to create a new database and want to use the existing database. We want to use the existing database and the name of the database is 10 student data. Okay, my dear student, I want to use the same database. That's why I select this. Otherwise, two more databases are also here, student record and student. But this database we will use right now, and after that click on finish. When I click on finish, LibreOffice base appears like this. Yes, my dear students, first topic is here table. All of you know that how to create the table. I think in both view you know that how to create table in design view and as well as how to create table with the help of wizard. Next, in previous class we was discussed about queries, means too much amount of data stored into our table, and now we want to fetch some data according to our requirement. Then how we can do? We can do with the help of queries. Clear? And there are three different methods for query. First, with the help of query design. In design view we can create the queries, and with the help of wizard we can also create the queries. And the third one is create query in SQL view. These are the three different methods by which we can create the queries. Now come to the session number 5, that is forms and reports. Today we shall learn how to create forms and how to create reports in LibreOffice base. Okay, for that first I'm going to click on forms. When I click on forms, here you can see two options are here. Create forms in a design view and another one is use wizards to create form. And in your syllabus, this is point is mentioned in your syllabus how to create the form with the help of wizard. Now I'm going to click on use wizard to create forms. When I click on it, it's showing me a form wizard. When I click on create form with the help of wizard, it is showing me a dialog box that is form wizard. In this, first what we have to do, tables or queries, means first we have to select the table on which table we want to create the form. Clear, my dear students? First, I'm going to select the name of the table. Suppose I want to find out the record from student record table. Clear? And when we select the table, whatever field mentioned in that table, it shows here. It shows here available fields. You can see in student record table, these 5 fields are there. But now I want to change the name of the table. In subject detail table, how many fields are there? There is only 2 fields, subject ID and subject name. But we want to make the form of table that is student record. And now next thing is what? We have to select the field for form, means in form which fields we want to enter the data. Suppose we want to enter roll number, name. If we enter here, we just select the field and click on it. By this we can enter one by one, and if we click on this, it will add all the fields at once. I'm going to click on this like this. Clear? In a similar way, if I click on this, it will add all fields this side. Now I'm going to add roll number I need, name, and suppose that I also want to add marks. Only these fields I need on forms. Suppose father name also I want. Clear? After that, click on next. Then it will ask from you, decide if you want to set up a subform. No, we don't want to set up a subform. Just click on next. Now it's showing arrange controls means in this way it is showing how you want to represent your data. In this manner, like this side show the field name and right hand side it shows the text box where you can enter your data, and in this way and this way and this way. There are the different types you can select the form arrangement. Clear, my dear students? Suppose I like this one, that's why I select this. Now again click on next. It shows a dialog box that is select data entry mode, means how you want to enter data into the form. It is showing the form is to display all the data. जो भी हमारा data है, it will show all the data. Again click on next. When you click on next, it will ask from you apply the style of your form, means what kind of styles you want to apply. Means from here you can change the color of the form like this, any color you can select. Here are the different colors. I like this one color, that's why I select this one. Now from this field border, here you can see these are the text box. From here we can select border, no border. Field look like this, text box. 3D look, these fields look like this, and if we click on flat, your box look like this. You can select any field border. Suppose I like 3D look, that's why I click on 3D look and then click on next. Now it asks from you name of the form, means जो आपका form है but you want to set the name for it. Suppose that I want to set student record form. Clear? I set this. Now last step is here, finish. Now I just click on finish. It shows me the data. It shows total number of records are 6, and right now this is record number 1, and from here we can navigate on the next record like this, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now suppose we want to enter data. Suppose we want to enter roll number 1. The name of the roll number 1 is Deepak Kapoor. Clear? And his marks is 88, and his father name is Papa. Clear? I just enter data for roll number 1. Again I'm just click on here. Now it show me the next record. Suppose I also want to enter data for roll number 2. Roll number 2, name is any name we can write down. Suppose we want to write down Anjali, A-N-J-A-L-I, Anjali, and her marks are 99, and father name is Daddy. Clear? D-A-G-G-Y. Clear? Now you can see how many records are here. It shows that how many records are here. Total number of records are 8, because we add 2 records, that's why it shows here 2. Now I'm going to close this form and want to show the data into student record table, because we enter student data in student record table. Now we enter roll number 1, that is Deepak, and roll number 2, she is Anjali. Clear, my dear student? And we didn't add the subject ID, that's why these fields are blank. Now again I want to add one more data in this. How I can do? Again it is showing how many records are here. Total number of records are here 8. Suppose that now this is record number 8 and I want to delete this data. Then how I can delete? Here you can see this is a delete record option. You will just click on this option, and after that you are able to delete this data. Clear, my dear student? First you have to select the data that you want to delete. After that, here is the option delete record. Suppose that I want to delete the आर्यन record because आर्यन लेट आया ना, 10 minutes लेट आया मेरी क्लास में. That's why हमें उसे क्लास से बाहर निकाल देना है. So I'm going to delete this आर्यन record. Now it will ask from you. You intend to delete one record. Yes, ये लेट आता है बच्चा, इसलिए हमने इसे कर दिया delete. Clear? Now you can see how many records are here. Total number of records are 7. Now